Hello everyone, Tom here again from Smartland, and this is our video tour for 23596 Blackburn Road in Oakwood Village, Ohio. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath. We just got done renovating this turnkey property. The market value on this one is $96,000, and we have it for rent right now for about $1045. So let's just get started here in the kitchen. In here we installed all new cabinets with brand new countertops. We also installed new stainless steel appliances, a new sink, and a new light fixture. So let's just go take a look at this property. In here we have the bathroom. Everything is new in here. We installed a custom vanity sink. We also installed a new mirror and a new light fixture as well. We also installed a new toilet, a new tub, new shower fixture, and new tiling as well.